In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your YouTube stream key using your mobile phone. You want to go live using streaming software like OBS, Streamlabs, StreamYard, Vstream, and other streaming softwares. Using a stream key is one of the easiest way you can stream to these streaming softwares. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your stream key using your mobile phone. This is Streamlabs. We teach tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. If this is your first time to find this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you get notified when we put new videos. At the end of this video, you're going to be knowing how you can find your YouTube stream key using your mobile phone. Grab your notebook and pen, and without wasting time, let's dive into this video. What you're going to do, you're going to go in your browser, Google browser. You're going to go in your Google browser. I mean Google browser like Chrome, Safari. At this time we're going to use Safari. Go to Safari, type in studio.youtube. Type in studio.youtube. They're going to bring this page. Don't tap on get the app, because if you tap on get the app, they're going to take you to YouTube Studio app. Tap on continue to studio. They're going to bring this page here. In the corner right here, there is a place where you go live. Type on that place where you can go live. They're going to bring you this page. Type on now, then type on streaming software. Tap on streaming software. After tapping on streaming software, they're going to bring you to this page. Tap on not made for kids. Not made for kids, and save. There you have your streaming software right here. You see this place which is covered. Copy it and go and paste it in your streaming software. You're going to go live on YouTube using a stream key. In this video, I wanted to show you how you can find your YouTube stream key using your mobile phone, because streaming is becoming easy these days. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you get notified when we put new videos. Thank you.